Hello all, today we are going to learn about the key macros in Ifix. So I just want to put one object which will be a push button. I'm just doing a page navigation right now. Page navigation means shifting to our appropriate pages. So I just want to name it as go to page 1. Page 1, and then we are going to put a or create a page. So for creating a page, I just want to go for pictures, right click, add a new picture. And by doing this, you can see the create a default untitled picture. Just want to hit the finish. So here comes with the untitled 3 page, and I just want to put another push button right here. So objects and links, and here comes the push button. And I just want to name it as back, or back to screen 0, or back, simply back. Okay, and I just want to save both of the pictures, like saving OOO, and I'm just saving the untitled 3 picture as in the name of screen navigation, and save it. I just want to save in like screen. Okay, now it is screen, and this is OOO.grf. This is saving as a picture. So I'm back to my main screen, and I want to right click and go for the key macros, and simply add one key macros. And in this you have to select one key combination or any one of the key. And the key combinations, so the key will be, I'm using the page up. You can select any one of the keys, and I'm using the page up. Page up has been selected, and hit OK. Then what action does it take? That will be assigned on the run wizard. So hit the run wizard, and I just want to select the appropriate action. I just want to open the picture. That's what I need when clicking that button, and open that picture name, and that will be like what I have to say, it will be the screen. Okay, screen selected, and hit open. Then simply hit OK, and OK. That's it. So I just want to go for the back button, configure the back button, simply going to the key macros and add one. And like the previous times, just want to select the page down. OK. Run wizard, what action? That I have to go for the open picture to switch back to the previous picture. That will be OOO. This will be the main screen, and OK. Then I have to hit OK again, OK, and OK. So I'm going to the runtime for a test run. Go for the runtime. Now just going to click this go to page. Simply click and page up. I'm pressing my page up in my keyboard, page up, and here we comes with the second screen. And page down, after clicking the back button, then hit the page down. So we are switching back to the main screen. This is the key scripting or key macros. And I'll show you one more application, which will be, I just want to move an object with key macros. So go for insert, put a shape, and I'm using the shape to move, okay, with the key macros. So double tap and go for the positions, and I'm using an analog tag. One of the analog tag which I already created is T1, and if you want to get the basics to create the analog tag, you can check the previous videos. And okay, you can go for the basic videos that I have posted in my page in this tutorial. And the minimum offset and maximum offset, I just want to move the position in the horizontal direction, and click on the fetch limits at runtime. Go for the absolute position type and get fetch the starting coordinates, and click that get value. So the starting coordinates are fixed, okay, and okay. And I just want to move up to here, and double tap and go for the position, and going to fetch the end coordinates. hit OK. Okay, and this will be happening when the key macros are pressed. So I'm going to assign a button, another button. This will be my second push button, and I just assigning as name as forward or reverse, F/R, forward or reverse. Okay, and right click, key macros, adding one, and go for the key combination, and that will be forward will be like the right arrow, hit OK, run wizard, and I just want to ramp the value, ramp tag value. I'm using the ramp by value, which tag, that will be T1, fix T1 F. Okay, the tag value will be ramping like 5, and hit OK, and OK. Then again I have to add one more key macros, which will be adding one, edit, go for the edit, and second, just assigning the second key, that will be left, and OK. And in the run wizard I have to set the same ramp tag value. I just ramping by value by -5, so I have to reduce with -5, and go for the fix T1 F. OK, and OK, and OK, and hit the OK button. So I just want to go for the runtime. Simply go to the runtime, and you can see the value will be ramping in this condition. And if you want to see the value ramping, I'm going to put another thing, which will be a data link stamper. The data link stamper will be showing how to or value of the tag at the real time, and I just placing the data link stamper here and going to the runtime. So I'm going to click on this forward or reverse button, click, and pressing the right arrow. See, it is ramping by 5. When I am clicking, when I am pressing the right arrow, that assigned key, that will be ramping by 5. When I am pressing the reverse button or the left key cursor, that will be ramping by again 5. That is a key scripting or key macros in the Ifix SCADA. Thank you.